In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color to FigJam text box. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get clean, readable colors on your FigJam boards without any confusion. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, look for the FigJam option on the home screen. You can start a fresh FigJam board or open a recent file if you already have one in progress. Either choice works the same for what we're doing today. With your FigJam board open, click on the text box you want to style. A single click selects the element, and you'll see a clear outline around it. If you double-click, you'll start editing the text content itself, which is great for typing but not what you want if you're focusing on color. So make sure the text box is selected, not in typing mode. Now look toward the top toolbar. You'll see a color picker icon that controls the color of your selected element. Click that color control to open the palette. From here, you can choose from preset swatches, pick a custom color, or enter a specific hex code if you're matching brand colors. If you prefer sampling a color already on your board, use the eyedropper tool to pick it directly from another element. As you hover through colors, FigJam will preview the results so you can quickly compare options before committing. When you're coloring text, keep readability in mind. Light text on a light background or dark on dark can make your board hard to scan. A good rule is to aim for strong contrast, dark text on light shapes or sticky notes, and light text on darker backgrounds. If you've applied a fill color to a shape behind your text, try a contrasting text color so your message stands out. If the color doesn't apply the way you expect, confirm that the text box itself is selected. Reselect the element and try again. You can always press undo if you change your mind. Small adjustments go a long way, so don't hesitate to test a few shades until it feels right. This same approach works for other FigJam elements too. Whether you're tweaking shapes, sticky notes, or doodles, select the element and use the color picker in the top toolbar to dial in the exact look you want. Clean, consistent color will make your boards more readable and your ideas easier to understand. That's all you need to add color to a FigJam text box. Give it a try on your next board and keep your visuals clear and consistent.